That has inspired me. Now I just want an honest and no bullshit sandwich. I'm gonna challenge myself to use less than 100 ingredients to recreate fast food classics, keeping the essence of the shape and flavor of our classic fast food items. To start this journey, I'm gonna start with one of my favorite, McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. Let's do it.
First, we're gonna pat dry our fish. In my hands, I have tilapia, but you can use any white fish you like. Cutting them into square pieces just to mimic the classic shape of Filet-O-Fish, but if you really wanna, you can cut them into circular pieces, but I'm gonna call the cops on you, okay? Okay. Alright, panko. Panko has the perfect color and consistency for this, but it's a little bit too coarse, so we're gonna grind it up. If you don't have a blender, you can use a food processor, or you can just use a rolling pin and just make sure it comes out fine. Alright, grasshoppers, pay attention. This is the perfect texture we're looking for. Fine, but not dusty, okay? Go ahead and find a plate just so it's easy for breading later. Now fetch yourself a mixing bowl. Find the cutest egg in the carton, crack it open. Add in 1 teaspoon of mayo, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We're gonna stir it up. Wow, that turned into a really beautiful pastel color. Delightful. In a separate plate, we're gonna prepare some cornstarch. Half a cup should be plenty. We're gonna coat every surface of the fillet. Spank it a little bit just to get rid of the excess flour. I know you wanna. Now you can go ahead and soak our fillet into our batter. Proceed by tossing it in our panko mixture. Once it's covered enough, you can press it firmly. Moving on to the sauce. Go look for your lemon, garlic, dill weed, dill seed, mayo, and pickle. Dice that pickle up real good. Now the garlic part is optional, but I like that little bold flavor. And half a lemon, we're gonna juice it real good. Squeeze it, squeeze it. A teaspoon of dill weed and a teaspoon of dill seed. Marry all the seasoning pretty good, but I think we can use a teaspoon of pickle milk. I call it pickle milk. My favorite part. We're gonna heat up the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to put a little test batter. It's sizzling. Now gently place our beautiful fillet in the oil. Make sure no splashing. I'm gonna shut up now and just let you enjoy this. We're gonna fry it until it's evenly golden on both sides and then set it on a cooling rack. Alright guys, we're almost there. While the fish is chilling on the side, we can go ahead and butter up a pan. And we're gonna prepare our brioche bun. Really soak up all that butter. It is very necessary. And let it toast. When the bun gets nice and toasty, we can go ahead and turn the heat to low, setting our cheddar on top, and close the lid and just let it melt without burning the buns. Ta-da! Ooh, guys, it's the grand finale. All right, let's put the buns down. This guy's a little hot. Okay. Now, we're gonna put a generous amount of tartar sauce because, in my opinion, it's one of the best parts of this experience. We're not gonna be stingy with it like some restaurant. Alright. I think we're ready. Finishing touches, a little squirt of lemon just to refresh the fish. And last but not least, a little bit more tartar sauce.
Boom, bottom, boom. Should we cut into it or should I just bite out of it? Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. All the layers. Looks very nice. Or should I break it? Cheese is pulling. Ooh, yes. I did good. I'm Kai from Kai, and I declare this attempt a success. If you need more convincing, let me show you. I divided it in half so it's not gross with my bite marks, but if you can see the fish, very moist and still flaky. Cooked perfectly. It's crispy on the outside. I paired it with cheddar cheese, okay? I choose my own cheese that's not made of plastic. It melted perfectly. As you saw, the pull was beautiful. And then the tartar sauce, you make your own, adjust the taste to your own. But what I gave you is actually one of my favorite ways to make tartar. And then the bun, most importantly, the bun. It's not some soggy, sad bun. So, what do you think about my Filet-O-Fish? Comment down below and let me know what you want me to attempt next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. Please do yourself a favor and try this recipe. Tag me if you recreate it. And if you haven't, please subscribe.